Today, we're going to be talking about the best Pixel Pro cases that you can purchase right now. Yes, there's not a lot of choices that you can go and say, I want to purchase this one or that one, but I am going to let you guys know the best ones that so far you can go and spend your money on. All the links will be in the description so you can go there and click on them. So let's begin. So the Google Pixel 6 Pro is, as you may know, is a lot different because it comes with a 6.7 curve size and also comes with a beautiful tensor that makes that phone part of you. As anyone who has ever owned a curved screen phone knows that protecting the sides of the phones, it's very crucial, and that's why you need very good cases to be able to take care of that precious investment, that precious phone that you bought. So today, guys, I'm going to let you know which ones you can purchase. Please do me a favor, like this video, subscribe, and turn on all notifications for any future Tech Needs video. So the first one's going to be this slim but very secure case. This one is made by Spigen. If you don't want a bulk supersized phone, you know, the Pixel 6, it is a 6.7, so it's a little bit large. So if you don't want a huge phone case, then this one is going to be for you. Not only it's slim, but it also gives you a nice protection in case you happen to just drop your phone by any mistakes. If you're like me, well, you're going to be dropping the phone a couple of times out of the week. Do get this phone case. It's going to give you a liquid air armor. It has great texture for both cross and back. Gives you a nice grip and also gives you that classic look. You can find this on Amazon. Links are in the description. The next one is going to be by Case Logic Parallax. While the Case Logic Parallax isn't packing quite as colorful lineup as, you know, the one I showed you before, this gold and ash gray color brings a unique flair to an already distinctive case. It gives you gradual rise around the camera to help it protect it, and also has a nice grip that you are able to hold it so you can have that nice grip, even though it doesn't have such a nice protection. But you can find this for around $15. You're looking for extra protection, the design for drops, then this one, the Incipio grip, this one is for you guys. This one gives you a nice grip. Not only that, but it also protects from 14 feet drops. So if you happen to be, like, no, 14 feet was that second floor. So if you happen to be in the second floor and the phone drops, well, they're saying that it's going to survive. So if you want to get that phone case and you want to feel more secure, then that's probably going to be with you. The only downside with that is, well, the sides. I mean, it does give you a good grip, but as you can see here, the sides are a little bit weird, but hey, you know what? It's an investment, $850. No one has $850 to spend on a Google Pixel Pro. Now, if you want something slick, nice, then here is the clear Ringkit Fusion, which is compatible for the Google Pixel 6 Pro. This clear case allows you to show off pretty much how the phone looks. It gives you that transparent look. It also provides you with 5 years warranty. So that's not bad. It's going along with what Google is offering, 5 years of support. So this one, I would recommend it because it gives you a nice matte variety look, feel to it also. If you are the type of person that loves to watch a lot of videos, loves to be on the news a lot, loves to watch videos a lot, and likes to read a lot on your phone, then here is the Poetic Revolution. This has a kickstand, and as big as the Pixel 6 Pro is great to watch videos, not only on YouTube, but any other of your favorite news places. You can use a horizontal or landscape. Open that kickstand, able to watch just about anything with silicone plugs. Also, the bottom lets you keep the USB-C port clean and out of the way, so you're able to plug everything just nicely. If you're looking for something that you want to use as your wallet, as well as keep all your credit cards, money safely with your Google Pixel 6 Pro, then here is this stylish all-in-one Hayun leather wallet. This one comes for $15 and you can find it on Amazon. All the links are in the description. This wallet just pretty much gives you that extra pockets that you're able to keep 2 credit card slots. Also, you're able to put in your cash, and it also provides you with a nice grip, even though it's not probably the best one if you want to protect your phone, but it's actually the best if you have money, credit cards, or even your driver license that you want to keep it with your phone. This probably will be the one for you. And overall, probably if you want to go the Google way, you can always get the Google Pixel 6 Pro case. Is very nice, very stylish. If you are the type of person that you are very concerned about the environment, you can get this one. It comes with a 30% recycled material. It's very easy to put it on the Google Pixel 6 Pro, and it comes in 4 different colors. So, and hopefully, with this pandemic, and things do get a little bit better, we are able to get more cases later on. At this moment, since the previous Google Pixels were not such a hot ticket, but this time it is. So hopefully we're able to get better Google Pixel 6 Pro, even when you're very upset sometimes when you're watching the Lakers and they lose and they have this such an awesome team and you just phone just flies around because you're so upset, then try to use one of these cases. If not, hopefully we'll get better ones later on. Well, guys, this has been Tron. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and turn on all notifications, and I'll see you on the next Tech Needs video.